it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath, and this is my daughter. Oops, sorry. Should we do that over?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath, and this is my daughter, and I am going to teach her how to make a bow. She's wanting to make a bow for a while now, so I thought it would be fun to do it and show you guys. If you also want to learn how to make a bow, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. And we are going to make a very simple, classic bow. I'm going to show my daughter how to do it. How old are you?
8.
She just turned 8. So what we're going to need for this bow is wired ribbon. This is 2.5-inch wired ribbon. We each have our own spool. I like these because there's lots of ribbon on it. We're each going to need one pipe cleaner, or you can use floral wire or something like that. And then scissors for cutting the ribbon at the end. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our ribbon, and this is going to be the tail. You got the tail?
Tail.
Yeah, it's the end. We have 2 tails, and this is the first one. So what you're going to do is take however long you want your tail to be. Okay, now take your right hand and then pinch it, and then make a loop like this. Nice. Good job. And now put your hand like this, and it's pinched. And now twist the ribbon. And then put this side over about the same. Wait, make sure your ribbon's straight and then put it over and make it the same size as this loop, if you can. Pinch your fingers in the middle of the loops. Yeah, good job. And wait a minute. This should be on the top.
Wait, this?
Yeah. Nope, that's the tail. This should be on the top. Where's that from? Oh, your fingers are pushing it down. You got it, you're fine. So, open your fingers up just a minute. Okay, there we go. There you go. Now, you take that and you bring it over so you have another loop on this side. And try and make it the same size. Nice. And then pinch that. You got it pinched. Good job. Wow, you're doing a really good job, honey. Nice work. Okay, so now you have your ribbon over here. See, look at mine. See mine? Look at this right here. You have your 3 loops, and then this should be over here. You should have crossed over. There you go. So now take that ribbon, and then, or you can twist it if you like. You want to twist it? Getting a hand cramp. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing, and then fold it over the top, like this, and make it the same size. So now you have 2 on each side. Now do you want to do 3 loops on each side or leave it at 2 loops? 3. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing. You twist it. We don't really have to twist it because the ribbon is the same on each side, but if you only have one pattern on the outside and the inside is plain, you always want to twist it so the pattern is on the outside. You got it?
Yes.
Okay, so now we're gonna twist.
Loop.
Yes, make another loop. Good job. Yeah. Okay, and make sure your ribbon crosses over the middle when you make your loop. There you go. You're doing great. This looks really good, honey. Okay, can you tell me what to do next?
You make another loop.
Where?
Right on the bottom.
On the bottom?
No, not the bottom. You make it under.
Right here?
Yeah, you make it under right here.
Yep. So now we have 3 loops on each side. You could tie it off here and with your pipe cleaner, and then maybe put like some red string or some jute twine wrapped around the middle, but that's not what we're gonna do. Now, this is the very end. This is our middle loop. So now we're gonna make the middle loop. So you take your And you can make it whatever size. Lately, I've been actually making it about the same size as my other loops. So you have your string,
Yep.
and then you just make a loop in the middle. Just a nice big loop in the middle, and pinch that with your hand. That's looking pretty good. Maybe make this one a little smaller, the one in the middle. Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna take my pipe cleaner and show you how to tie it, and then I'll help you tie yours, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna take our pipe cleaner, we're gonna put it through the middle loop and around all the loops we have holding together in our hand.
I think you just twist it.
And then, yep, you put it through and tighten it, and then just twist it on the bottom. Just like this. So it's nice and tight, and then this is how we use it to tie around our wreath or whatever you want to tie it around. And we fluff it up. And if the loops aren't even, you can adjust them and pull them around like this. Okay, I'm gonna help my daughter really quick. So let's see, where are your loops? See how it's pinched in the middle?
Mm-hmm.
So we take our pipe cleaner, like that. I'll twist it one time and you twist it the rest. Okay, can you twist it? Okay. Make it the same length. You can cut it at an angle if you like. These are not the best scissors for cutting ribbon.
Make sure you buy better scissors.
That's a good tip. Look how cute! Gracie, you made that! Now, to fluff it up, you just take your loops. Mine's already fluffed. You know how to fluff it up? That's why we like the wired ribbon, because it's really easy to fluff and it holds its shape really well. Now we're gonna put your little ties on the same side. This looks so good. Can you believe you made that? Look! Show everybody your bow. Here's our bows. See how easy that was? I also have a free bow tutorial in the description of this video. It's a little bit more detailed on how I teach you. And yeah, if you want that, grab it, but you can probably learn from this video too. And now we've made our beautiful bows. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't done that already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.